What I like best about working with Rey Perez is his energy.
He's very detailed about each individual.
Genuine sincerity and the passion that he has for what he does in helping people brand and market, really position themselves correctly.
Rey did a great job on teaching us what we need to do. He put some great content and was very, very detailed in what was the next steps to be able to get to the next level.
So the content and the structure of the program, that blew my mind, because oftentimes you go to a lot of these things that you learn stuff that you have to go home and do or implement. Here we were implementing as we were learning, and I'd already done my branding with him, so it helped me take it to the next level.
Just want to say, first class event all the way, man.
You are a true professional, and it's a pleasure working with you.
Best things Rey Perez can do for your brand, take it global. He'll make you look so good, he'll have your customers tuned in, but more importantly, he'll get more leads, more sales, more great customers. So if you're looking at a good marketing and branding expert, Rey Perez is definitely the guy.
He's a really genuine person. You can tell that by working with him. He's really concerned about your needs, the needs for your business, and the results that you want to achieve.
His integrity and his honesty within business building and relationship building with clients.
He's a man of high integrity. When I say that something should get done or needs to get done, it gets done in that time frame.